Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.